Everyone always says, follow your dreams, but not everyone does it. Life interjects, bills pile up, and sometimes we have to do jobs we don't want to do just to make it through the day. However, there are a number of reasons to follow your dreams, to break the trend and to live the life you've always wanted. Why follow your dreams? Because this is what happens when you follow your dreams. Hello everyone, I am Perleen Singh, your Mindset Transformation Coach. They make life worth living. Your dreams are what can get you through even the worst days. If you are struggling, your dreams are the reason to keep going. They are why you wake up in the morning and try again. They are what makes your entire life worth living. Without our dreams, we are nothing. You'll meet the other dream seekers also on the way. When you are motivated and excited about pursuing your dreams, you'll attract other people who have the same values and interests. The more you surround yourself with high achievers, the further you'll go. Then, when time gets tough, it's hard to keep going. Your friends will motivate you to continue achieving. You can be an inspiration to others. If you decide to go and pursue your dreams, you will hope to others who want to do the same. You can serve as the example and their reason why they should give it a try. You can help them, coach them, and encourage them keep going. Working in a job you hate makes the day go slowly, isn't it? Why should you work in a job you hate? You'll be checking out on the clock, you won't do as well, and you'll dread waking up in the morning. Instead, pursue your dreams. Get excited about the day and enjoy the process of doing what you love, because no one is going to do or follow it for you. Let's face it, no one else is going to pursue your dreams for you. Everyone has their own dreams, own goals, and they want to achieve in life. If you don't go for it, no one else will. To prove them wrong, who? All of us have been around people who told us our dreams weren't possible. Let that add fuel into the fire. Think about all the people who said it would never happen and go out and prove them wrong. It will make your parents proud. Sometimes parents don't always understand our dreams and they try to sway us towards a particular one. However, if you are adamant about your dreams and you work hard to achieve them, your parents have no reason not to be proud of you. It will make you proud. Even better than making your parents proud, you will be proud for yourself. Your confidence will rise and you'll enjoy the excitement and the adrenaline that comes with doing something you've always wanted to do. You only live once. Life is short. Our days are numbered. So why spend them doing something we don't love? It's time to make a decision to go for it. Dream big, focus your dreams, and make your dreams happen. Check you.